What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we made $427 on ticker symbol FETH, the Fidelity Ethereum Fund. That puts us up year to date $3,173. We are on a roll to start 2026. I want to show you some gains the Watt members have. Take a look at Google, $194. They're up 40%. Here is another contract that another Watt member is making gains on, filled at $13.60, sold at $15.26. This one I love seeing. Look at this, $5,000 made on this, 139% gains. This Watt member has been calling out this play for a week now. Awesome. And I can tell you, I love trading Ethereum. Ethereum right now is very easy trades to make. We know that we have the over top resistance at $3,200. And the bottom right here is around $3,064. If we do break this level, I'm going to be looking to scalp it as it comes down to this level around 2,900. So I will be watching this zone. This is the area that we are trading in from 3,200 to 2,900. Going to continue to watch that. Another stock that I want you to keep on your radar, AVGO, trading at that top of that horizontal line right here. If you look right here, we are testing resistance at $354. It was rejected a little bit earlier today, but if you look closely, we may potentially get above this and make our move back to 360. As Netflix comes to earnings in about 7 days, let's keep in mind that it has sold off from $134 all the way down to $89, around 34% discount. We know that we have the obvious support levels around here at $82 per share. Will it continue to sell off? That really is the question. It is continuously just making lower lows right now, so we cannot predict that. But right here, we need to watch. Is Netflix going to break $90 per share? That does seem to be the line in the sand here. If Netflix can recover back above $90 before earnings, that wouldn't surprise me. Take a look at this. $88.32 is your low. I'd be watching this level this week. Does Netflix get above $90, get above 91, and then start pushing higher into that earnings play? Would not surprise me to see a move up to at least $93. If you haven't checked out my TikTok channel yet, here it is, Trading Simplified 1, where you get access to other videos that I am making as well. We're at 596 followers, so if you can, follow the channel. I appreciate your support.